snipers everywhere. Might need to deal with them first.
Who's there?
A lot of junk scattered around here. A well-placed web shot could make a great distraction.
Demons have been hitting other locations. Moss decided to move what's left into the wall.
I get it. Art of War style. She was one point, barely around.
Come! I swear I'll blow him away for this.
Hey, how long's the boss had this place?
Only a decade. Been through a dozen different owners.
Oh, sorry, did I startle you?
Booze runners back in the 20s. You know this old bootlegger tunnel isn't going to seal itself. You want to help me out here?
Seems like you got it. Besides, come on, watch.
On what?
Let's play the quiet game.
It would take you real far.
It's done pretty well for me. I'm not the one cranking on rusty-ass pipes.
What's this tunnel they're trying to seal? And where does it lead?
Rats estate. What the hell is this place here? Ship hasn't come through here in years.
Kid, you really are slow, you know that? It's an old bootlegger hideout.
Oh, wow. So, tunnels and secret rooms and stuff?
Tunnels and stuff. Yeah. Like the tunnel right beneath us, I'm trying to seal up while you're standing there gabbing.
Any tunnel Fisk is trying to seal is a tunnel I want to check out.
Hey, feel like making yourself useful and quoting that pattern?
Hey, I think I see someone.
Nothing. Jumping in shadows.
I know, I should have called first.
So, you're what? Gonna flood the tunnel below us? What's the point of that?
It's the only other entrance to the vault. Flood it, and demons only have one way in. Easier for us to defend.
Huh. Naming on the packaging for this stuff's confusing. Think everything. Guess that's why he's Fisk.
Fisk must really want to protect this vault, wherever it is.
Who's there?
Labeling them.
I got
People
Spider-Man!
around here work.
Get ready for the pain. I'm in an ass-kicking mood.
And I lost him.
I had him.
Good job, Spidey.
We gotta beat guys like you. Now what?
No talking during the infiltration.
Now what? What's that?
You're getting very sleepy.
Cover my shit. I know I'm
Trust me, it's less painful this way.
still in here.
Oh no. Must have been the spider.
What the hell?
They're so
the matter?
cute when they're
Scared?
incapacitated.
You know we can't have vigilantes trespassing or doing illegal searches,
Yeah, I know.
which is why I brought a warrant. So what do you say we do some perfectly legal searching?
I like the sound of that. What's your name?
Officer Davis. Call me Jeff. And you are? Just messing with you. My son's a big fan.
So, that warrant cover breaking down doors?
Not without a lot of extra paperwork.
Okay. I'll find another way in. Any place this rundown should have a hole in the wall or a broken